Hey guys, it's Whitney, and today we are going to Five Below. We're going to check out the makeup, and then we're going to test it out and see if it's any good. So let's go on an adventure. Are you ready? Look at all these eyeshadow palettes for $5. So we have our Five Below makeup bag. I ended up getting this eyeshadow palette. It's called Soft Glam by Smoke and Mirrors, and this was only $5. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Look at all these colors. They're very neutral and very glam-like. We have some sparkles and shimmers, maybe some glitters, some mattes, a little bit of everything. I also saw these. They're called Spread the Love. They're also by Smoke and Mirrors. This was $5, and it's a big set of falsies. They have bunches of different ones that you can try out, and you get 6 different pairs, so 6 pairs for $5. Heck yeah! And to finish off our look, I found this really gorgeous lip gloss. It's just a Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss, but let's see, what color is it? It's called Libra, and this has so much glitter, so much sparkles. It's kind of like this iridescent pink glitter. I'm going to take a fluffy brush with the color Fling right here. I think this is going to be a really nice transition color for this look. So let's see what this looks like. I'm so excited to try out these glitter shadows. I think those are so beautiful. I hope they work good. Now I'm going to go in with a Sigma E25 blending brush with the color Bay. And I'm going to just start putting this in the crease a little bit. I'm going to use the same brush and go in with the color Flashback. And I'm just going to place this into the outer corner and a little bit on top of the other color that we used. I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH34, and I'm going to just start blending the edges of this a little bit. Alright, I'm going back around with the color Fling with this Jaclyn Hill brush. I love this brush so much. It is one of my faves. It's a really, really nice brush. Alright, so I feel like there is a little bit of fallout with these eyeshadows, and I also feel like they are not super duper pigmented. The way they look in the palette really isn't necessarily how I feel like they're coming up on the eye. I mean, you are getting some color, I feel like, but it's not like wham bam, you know? It's kind of sheer. Next, I'm going to take this kind of flat shader brush that's very, very flat, and I'm going to go in with the color called All In. This is like really, really pretty, guys. I love this eyeshadow. This is so gorgeous. Like, no joke. I'm going to go ahead and put on some Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof liner. And I'm going to take a little tiny bit of Flashback and put it on the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm going to take a flat shader brush with the color Angelic, and I'm going to use this on my brow bone a little bit for a highlight. That's what that looks like. Whoa. Okay. That actually looks really nice, guys. Can you guys see that? Alright, these are the lashes. Look at these lashes. I thought these looked really nice for $5. They even give you a glue, So that is super cool. I don't know which one I want to use really. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this pair right here. I think that one's gonna be really pretty. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara onto my lashes, and then we'll go in with these falsies. Okay. Alright, this is take 999 times on these lashes. Like, for some reason, I cannot get these to go on my eyes. I have glitter seriously everywhere at this point, and I feel like these lashes are so pretty. It's so freaking hard to work with. So here's the lash barely hanging on, and I'm gonna take it off and just put some mascara on and try to fix up the eyeshadow a little bit. These lashes are really, really pretty, but they're not doing it. They're just not working for me. I don't know if it's where the lash band on these are so thick, or it's where they do not have any give to them. They're not flexible at all, that it's making it a living nightmare, a hell of a nightmare to put these on. So I'm gonna go back and touch up where we tried to apply that and just add some mascara, because these lashes, in my opinion, are a fill. So alright, last but not least, we are going to check out this Wet n Wild lip gloss in the color Libra, and I am so excited about this. Like, it looks so pretty. It's like such a light kind of sheer color, but it just looks so pretty. So here is how it turned out and what the eyeshadows look like and the lip gloss. I love the brow highlight here. I hope you guys can see that, and the lid is so gorgeous too. Alright, so what do I think about Five Below makeup? I think it's mediocre. I think some stuff is really good and some stuff is not worth your money. So I really liked the eyeshadow palette. Even though it wasn't super pigmented, I do feel like you can come up with some looks with this, and I think there are some really gorgeous shades and colors in there. You may have to layer them up to get more pigment out of them, but they are really, really pretty overall. Now when it comes to the eyelashes, I'm like, hell no. I thought it was kind of a joke. It was hard as heck to get these on. They kind of remind me of when you go shopping for Halloween, those eyelashes that you're like, they're like $1, and you know what I mean? Like, stay away from these eyelashes. They are the devil. No. I do, however, love the lip gloss by Wet n Wild, the Libra one. I love this so much. I'm going to put this into my purse. I think it is a gorgeous color. I'm going to be wearing this a lot, I feel like. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so if you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit subscribe and ring the bell. And if you're liking my video while you're watching it, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it makes my day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!